Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you where your password is located on they call it what, a ZTE router, 5G router. This is a small router from Rain 5G. You can see ZTE. Okay, so this router, the password, you can find it at the bottom of your router, right? So you can see it's here. Let me change it for you. Okay. So when you log into the router, you're gonna see it will give you, this is the first name. You can see this. Also, it has the second name called Rain DO33. So the key, this is the password. This is the key. This is the password. You wanted to know the password where it is. This is the password, right? So also, you can also, if you want to log in using your computer, you can go to Chrome or Firefox, then type in 192.168.0.1, right? Then when you're in there, maybe you want to change your username and password. You go in there. So it's gonna ask you for what? For the password. Which password? Password to log into the router, not password for the Wi-Fi. This is the password for the Wi-Fi, and it's a default password, Wi-Fi password. So what you can do, when you log in here, you can change this, right? You can change this, maybe also the names. Maybe you don't want the names to be much obvious. You can name it your company or whatever. That's it. So once you've done that, you'll be able to change it. But the reason why I made a video, because some people ask me on where's the password, what is this and this and that. So now you know where the password is on a ZTE. So the model number is MC888. MC888. You can see it shows MC888. Yeah, no, thanks for watching. It was a video which is very quick on an MC888 router. So also I would add on something. Your router, to know that it's working, all these lights should be on. You get me? This is for the signal, this is for the network, this is for Wi-Fi, this is for power. And this days, I think this is, there could be a 4G and 5G buttons. So you don't need even to connect any wire, just put it in power, then you access via Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and also share. If you got some questions, you can ask me some questions. So yeah, see you in the next video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make another video very soon, but this is what I came in here for.